We're always looking for ways to make a dish taste better. However, this one doesn't need anything extra. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Mediterranean Middle Eastern salad. So this is a real simple salad, guys. Doesn't take much, absolutely no lettuce in it. It's just pretty much cucumber, tomato, and we're gonna make a nice vinaigrette. So before we start, I have a little joke for my brother and for you guys. What did the tomato say to the cucumber?
Oh, jeez.
Come on.
I have no idea.
Bro, it doesn't talk. What's it gonna say to it? The tomato doesn't talk, the cucumber doesn't talk. How the hell is it gonna communicate?
Oh my gosh.
Let's get started, guys.
Made me stupid.
For this salad, we're gonna go ahead and use Persian cucumbers. These are a lot better than your typical regular cucumbers. On this one, we're gonna go ahead and dice up 4 cucumbers.
Are you professional or what?
Oh yeah, bro. 4 at one time.
You can barely do one at a time.
4 Roma tomatoes that we're gonna go ahead and dice up as well. All right, for this one, we're gonna go ahead and use a half of a red onion. This is how the vinaigrette's gonna go. We're gonna go with about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. To it, we're gonna add about almost 1/2 cup of red wine vinegar. So you should have a total of 3/4 right there with the olive oil and the red vinegar, sorry. We're gonna add a pinch of salt, and we're gonna go ahead and add a big pinch of mint, which is probably gonna come out to about a tablespoon of dried mint. Now I have some red pepper, pinch. We're gonna use 1/2 of a lemon. We're also gonna add about 3 big cloves of garlic. Okay, we're also gonna go ahead and add a little bit of fresh mint, just for the hell of it. Chop that up. Add that in there. Now we're gonna give it a mix. A little taste. I need salt and a little bit more vinegar and some lemon. All right, now we'll go ahead and add this to the salad. Nice generous amount. Let's give it a mix. Beautiful. Taste. Well, you get all those flavors coming in. The red wine, you get that lemon, and you get that mint. Beautiful. All right, so now pretty much we're done with the salad. That's how simple and easy and fast it is. I'm gonna go ahead and just put it into this bowl. And literally, this is a good 3 to 4 person serving for these many tomatoes and cucumbers.
Fill it all the way.
Fill it all the way, baby. Ah, screw it. Might as well. Look at that. That's a big,
That looks delicious.
big bowl of...
Now you're gonna make me bleep.
Now you have to bleep it. Well, there you have it, guys. A nice Middle Eastern Mediterranean dish. On this one, you can actually put in feta cheese. You could crumble that all over on top. Throw in some olives as well. It's up to you. But it's real simple, real fast, and absolutely delicious. And I think they should be putting this into a lot of restaurant menus as a nice salad dish. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.